Hello world and to everyone. Welcome to Filipino Life Stories. Thank you very much for subscribing our channel and support. Mga kababayan ko, kumusta po ang lahat? Ang ating kababayang Pilipino, beloved farmers. Ang ating Magna Carta of Small Farmers RA 7607 at ang Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law RA 6657 and the New Agrarian Emancipation of Act RA 1953. Tayo po ay suportahan po natin ang ating karapatan bilang magsasakang Pilipino. At maraming salamat po. Join, be a member to our channel to support this channel and for our community. Thank you very much for my organic subscribers at sa lahat po na nag-subscribe po ng ating channel. Patuloy po tayo magbabahagi ng ating mga buhay ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po at be a part of our channel by your like, share, and comments, suggestion at marami pa po tayong ibabahagi na magagandang content about us being a Filipino. Thank you very much. God bless everyone. See you in our next videos.